We manufacture air purification devices that generate ozone inside the machine, which effectively eliminates any viruses, bacteria, mold, mildew, and a lot of volatile organic compounds like ammonia, formaldehyde, and those kind of things from the air. But we don't add ozone into the room air. We convert the ozone that's generated inside the machine back into O2 before it leaves the machine. So we deliver fresh air into the space and eliminate any of the pathogens that might be in the air. We made our machine a net negative ozone device, and we did that because we want to make sure that that we're not contributing any ozone to the ambient air that we breathe every day, because there are severe health impacts from breathing ozone and too much of it. So all of our machines have sensors on them that determine if there's any ozone escaping the machine. It turns the machine off and signals for a service call. But we made the Intertech Zero Ozone certification, and California Air Resources Board has the most stringent ozone rules in the country, and we've passed their standards as well. So we're very safe to use and can be utilized in any number of areas. You can sit right next to the machine while it's running, and there's no ill effects. I tell folks when they come to the show and come in my booth, this is the safest place to breathe in the whole building. All of our machines are self-contained, so the units that we've got here on the floor are mobile units, so they can be moved around into hot spots or particular areas where you might have issues that you need to address. We're coming out in January with a ceiling unit, and that will fit in the size of a 2-foot by 4-foot drop-in ceiling tile. Those can be placed anywhere because they don't tie into your HVAC system and just require electricity. So we have the freedom of being able to place them anywhere. The reason that we're here though is next June we're going to be launching our 420 mold killer. It'll be a 1000 CFM unit that will mount on the wall in grow houses, generating a lot of air movement, giving you multiple air changes an hour in that space. So if there's anything in the grow rooms that's creating a problem, like aspergillus or anything like that, we will eliminate that through a few air changes within the room. All of our machines require only one preventive maintenance a year. The average cost annually to run one of our machines for the maintenance piece averages about $500 a year. So very low cost of ownership. As a matter of fact, there are filters in the machine that are replaced once a year, but they're not really there to catch anything, because we're a kill technology, not a capture technology. We don't rely on the filters to catch the things we want to trap. We just pull it in and then eliminate it inside our machines. You know, if you have a problem today, these machines can help eliminate that problem. You know, we tested, for example, this unit in a 1,000 cubic foot chamber and injected aspergillus into that space. In less than 60 minutes, we had eliminated 99.99% of all of the aspergillus in there. So if there's an existing problem, we can solve that with the unit. But I think the bigger challenge for us and what we want to do is we want to get in on the new construction of facilities and build our technology into those spaces so we minimize the chances of ever having a problem to begin with. The big one will run in about 3,000 to 5,000 square foot space and give you multiple air changes an hour. The mini will do about half that space. The mold killer is going to be at 1,000 CFM. It's going to be 5 times the square footage that this will cover and still give you multiple air changes an hour. We are on the cutting edge of air purification. We are the only ASHRAE 241 standard compliant device on the marketplace. ASHRAE 241 are new guidelines that were put together by the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration engineers, and they put together these standards that kind of will guide us into what type of indoor air quality standards that we need to meet going forward. We embraced that and went to third-party labs and got our devices to meet all those criteria that they have. So that's a big thing. Maybe not so much in the cannabis space, but as for new construction and for existing buildings that are out there, that's going to be an important thing going forward. And everything.
Thanks for your time.
Hey, thanks for the time. Nice to meet you.